You're watching the TheMvegastyle, and today WYZMZGJ sent me this solar energy wall light. It's the CP706 model, and we're going to take a look at it right now. Real quick, let's go through the features. It's waterproof IP65, it's motion sensor, 3 lighting modes and 1 solar lamp, no bulb changing troubles anymore, recharged by sunlight, and restore power for overnight use. The solar light itself takes 6 watt of power consumption. It has 800 lumens of light, and then as you can see right here, here are some of the other features, and it has a remote control. Here is the light out of the package. It has 68 LEDs. Now let's go with this right here, and here is the remote control. It has your on and off button, your brightness controls, and mode controls, which controls sensitivity and lighting. Here is the user manual, and it comes with the mounting gear. Now in terms of size, here is my Mac keyboard. So if I move this just to the side right here, here is the size in comparison. So here's my hand, my arm, and that's a pretty decent size if you ask me. So now I'm gonna go ahead and mount the light. It's morning time, and I'm gonna go ahead and put it on this wood section of the house so that I can go ahead and mount it. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that right now.
And so I finally mounted it here. I did a little rigging myself because I don't have the proper tools myself. They gave me everything I needed to mount this, but now, now the trick is I just need the sun to go ahead and charge this light up. So with that said, let's go ahead and wait and see how much this actually illuminates my front yard. And as an update, the sun is finally charging the solar light. All right, so it's finally nighttime, and as you can see, there's the street light right by my house. Okay, and here's the light, here's the remote, as you can see, maybe not, and I'm going to turn it on now. All right, so that was the first power on. I'm gonna raise up the light. All right, so it has 3 modes of lighting. And as you can see, so I'm gonna show the car here and dim the light. That's 1, that's 2. So that's actually on right there. But watch, I'm gonna increase it by 1, increase it by 2. And it is actually a lot of light, guys. It is not a bad light at all. So I highly suggest this light. It was easy to set up. It only took about maybe 15 minutes at the most, and that was only because I didn't have the right tools. But as you can see, definitely this is with the lighting of the actual light up there, not a problem. Thanks for watching, guys. The TheMvegastyle.